Hi friends, welcome back to Bushcrafting on a Buck. This is our series Testing Temu, where we get Temu products, put them to the test, and let you know if they live up to the hype and if they would be a good addition to your bushcrafting. And today I'd like to start our series, Bushcrafting on a Buck, Testing Temu. So I've got a pair of these. I use these when I'm out camping. And so Diane back at the house, like I say, having to build her confidence of letting me get back out and push myself. This has a thing that shuts down squelch. I'll turn it on for you. And you hear that it'll tell you power on, tell you which channel it's on.
Power on. 1.
So if I go to channel 2, it'll say 2.
2. 1.
So there's 16 channels. 16 can scan. And right now there's a squelch
2.
turned on.
1.
If I press this button, it'll turn it off. Well, that's the sound it would make if it didn't have that built-in squelch, which is great. It keeps it quiet. Okay, the one down here turns on this flashlight here. I'll turn that on for you. So it allows us to see. You can splash. So it helps if you need an emergency location thing, put that on strobe. Now the other thing with the Baofeng, you get, with the kit I bought, 2 radios, antennas, the base unit. Now the base unit, you have to plug it into a USB charging brick, and that doesn't come with it. And then you can have an earpiece that you can wear with it. If you wear the earpiece, we have a volume control with this and talk. Turn it to talk. And just for the fun of it, since that's in place, I'll turn it on. So you can see it is working. Now, coyotes. This, which is a light. So it gives me a light I can use. If I hit it again, it'll strobe to help me as a signal. I need to get somebody's attention. So let's pause this and we'll turn off its light. Okay. You can see that's its strobe. I'll turn it off. So it gives me, it's not a great light, but it's certainly a usable light. So that's one of the features I do like on these radios, because it works like it's supposed to as a Walkie Talkie. So if we're out camping, it works for that. It also has the flashlight, which gives a secondary function, and the fact that it has that strobe to help for signal if you need to get found. So that has another feature added to it. So this is helpful for communicating with other people. It's helpful to help if you are needing rescue. And then, like I say, we have a light that we can use. So